everyone, welcome back to the CEC channel. If you are looking for a fresh premium look for a wedding invitation card, we will show you how to create a stunning wedding invitation printed using our Ricoh Pro C7500. Today, we'll walk you through the process from design to print using transparent media, metallic paper, white toner, and a Ricoh Pro C7500 to bring this idea to life. For this invitation design, we are using three types of media. First, transparent PET. This creates a window-like effect. We'll print the bride and groom's photo here using duplex printing with white toner sandwiched in the middle to help with opacity. Next, metallic paper. Perfect for printing wedding details like the date, time, and dress code. The shimmer gives it an elegant finish. And finally, envelopes. Each one personalized with the recipient's name, making every invitation feel truly custom. In our next video, we will show you how to quickly create personalized envelopes with names on them. A simple process that adds a thoughtful touch, so stay tuned. Start by preparing your design. Make sure to create a white underlay layer for the image, so it shows up clearly on transparent material. You can follow the step-by-step guide for creating white spot color in the video linked at the corner. The printer is already set up with white toner as the first print layer. Now it's time to configure the print job. Make sure to select the correct media type that matches your artwork design. Once all parts are printed, it's time for the next step: die cutting and assembling everything into one beautiful invitation set. And here's the final result. A beautiful modern invitation that feels just as special as your big day. If this video inspired you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next video. Thanks for watching and we'll see you soon. Bye.